for you are beginning to experience what true abundance is. True abundance is joy in being alive. Joy in whatever is in front of you, whatever is in your life. Having the joy in each moment of your life is abundance, is wealth. It is what you have been seeking. You have put many pictures, and they are like these thin veneered pictures that you put over your desires. And you call them a new car, or you call them a mansion, or you call them retiring at 30, or all the ways that you call wealth and success. They are becoming very paltry veneers to true success. They don't have much meaning, and they aren't truly gratifying in any way to you anymore. For you will find the more and more that you question people who have these things that are called desirable, you will see that they give no pleasure. What gave pleasure was the joy of being alive. And these items that you call wealth could have pleasure, could have meaning, what you chose. The true meaning that I'm speaking of wealth is so deep as these are veneers. It is so deep, you have only an inkling of what I am talking to you about. You have had moments when you looked out at your beautiful world. You looked out at a beautiful child. You looked out at the natural beauty, at the loved one, and you felt this joy. You felt an inkling of what I am talking about. But this ability to have the depth is just now coming into your consciousness as I speak of it, because it is long forgotten. It is long forgotten in your society, in your consciousness, and it is long forgotten in your cells, in your very DNA. And I am here this evening to reactivate your cells to this knowing of true wealth, of true affluence, of true joy. It is so much deeper and so much more complex than anything or any love that you have for another. As much love as you feel for your newborn baby, it is very slight in comparison. As beautiful and as strong as that is, it is very slight in comparison to the sense of love and joy that you are capable of, that you are being called to. For you have been called for this knowingness. And there are many here to receive this knowingness tonight. There are many who are not on this call who have also expressed their willingness to receive this. For all who are here to receive will receive. Every soul who wishes to receive this, who is called to this teaching, who is called to this awakening, shall receive it. And I am telling you that I am sending it to you gently at first, and you would wish that I would send it to you strongly and just receive it, but I am telling you it is best to receive it gracefully, calmly, and in full harmony. For as I start this work of this activation, it will grow and it will grow. I am planting seeds. I am planting beginnings. And these seeds will grow stronger and stronger. And as they grow, you will feel more and more depth to your joy, more and more depth to your love. So I am going to start. And what I am doing first is I am going to align your energy centers, your chakras, to receive the activation. For your energy centers have been tuned up until this point to a level of energetic receiving that was appropriate to the past, to a moment ago. We are now in this moment, in this very now moment, where it is time to readjust all your energy centers, to receive more greatly, to be able to receive. It is if each center had one receptive cell, and now it will have thousands of receptive cells that will allow the energy from all that is to come into your centers in a whole new fashion, in a whole new way, with a depth that is indescribable in language. It is something that only may be described in feeling. And you will begin to feel what I am speaking about. And you will be at times feeling like it is happening a little too quickly. And I ask you to remember to say, I wish it to slow down a little. This will help for you to ask for the moderation, for your own specific time, your own specific receptive channel, your personal attunement. It's like a fine-tune knob. You are allowed to tune this at your will. Nothing is ever done to you. You are completely at choice to where you put this fine-tuning knob. So remember that in the weeks that pass, as the energy starts to increase, that you may always fine-tune it to a little less or a little more. And there is no hindrance for you to fine-tune it, to go slower, for it will be in a perfect attunement